The issue I'm speaking about is entirely different. I do have a view on medicinal cannabis, and for the record, I think that if it's obviously having beneficial effects on terminally ill people, then I think that we should not be denying those people the right to that medication. But with industrial hemp, this is a crop that goes back thousands of years, and it probably suffers greatly because of its appearance. It is a hemp, and it looks pretty well much the same as a cannabis plant, but it doesn't have the same qualities as far as being a drug that affects humans in the same way cannabis does. Hemp can be used in various ways. The seed can be harvested at the same time for oils and lubricants and biodiesel, health foods. The hurd, which is the inner stalk, can be combined with other materials and be used to create building materials. And the bast, the outer stalk, can be used for in composites to replace plastic, but also it can be further treated to produce a fabric that's very durable and has lots of qualities. And finally, the leaves can be used for stock feed. And at the moment, it's illegal in New South Wales to be growing industrial hemp, and I understand the reasons why up to this point it has remained so. But I honestly think that this issue needs another look. There's a group of farmers in my electorate in the Macquarie Valley who are investigating the possibility of growing hemp. It uses less water per hectare than cotton. It's a great rotation crop. It's deep-rooted and certainly frees up the soil for further crops. But because of the diversity of the product that comes out of it, the potential for employment in regional areas for value adding for what comes through from hemp is quite large. The problem is you need to be growing enough in the first place to actually have the infrastructure to do the production of the end products. And so it's not the sort of a crop that one or two farmers can actually grow. We need to have a few growing at the first occasion so that we've got a critical mass. But it has a huge potential for job creation. Speaker, and I feel as if I should have taken the lead. I'll get my breath back in a minute. Yes, just in conclusion, the Macquarie 2100 group, which is a group of land care community organisation, are keen to progress the possibilities of growing hemp, and I understand the difficulties in the past, but I don't think that's a good enough reason not to pursue the possibilities. And I think in a time where we need to help farmers become viable and also look at crops that are more sustainable and environmentally friendly, I believe that hemp certainly has the ability to fill that gap. So the week after next, I'll be going to Narromine and meeting with a group of farmers at a public forum who are going to have a discussion about the possibility of growing hemp and the possibilities, and I certainly am looking forward to that.
The question is that the motion be agreed to.